Hello there, this is fairbuynovioptions.com, and we are sitting here on the Australian dollar, US dollar on this Wednesday with a plan to buy call options. Now this may sound a bit crazy or a bit unrealistic because the Aussie is breaking the multi-years, multi-months, let's say, lows. As you can see here, these lows have been broken. But you should know us by now that we are a bit contrarian of such moves, and I would really like to buy this one here. Of course, now the lows are being broken. I would say that the Australian dollar, US dollar is forming here nothing but a contracting triangle, that is not being completed. The contracting triangle starts here after an impulsive move with a fifth wave failure, and then it has five-way structure, but a contracting triangle that goes and makes a new low. So this level here is important. This one we can even highlight it like this. As you can see, it is what, 0.89. This is where the market ends with the previous impulsive move. This is no way an E wave to be. A contracting triangle goes always with five-way structure, so it needs to have A, B, C, D, and then the E wave like this, and the D wave maybe is not completed there, but it is about to be completed now. But we still miss this leg to the upside. This leg is not done, and this leg should come. What would be the triangle in our situation? Well, in our situation, this would be wave A, like this, then the B wave to the downside, all the way to the downside here. Then the C wave that is done right here at the highs, either here or here, you pick your choice. I would say that most likely it is done here. So A, B, and the C wave. And all the move to the downside here is nothing but the D wave. I mean, come on, it is November. We still have something like what, 1.5 months for the trading year, because in the second half of the year is the Christmas parties and so on and so forth. So the markets are not moving that far. But I would say that this is only the D wave here, and the whole pattern that you have here is a pattern with a, and surprise, this is being called a missing X wave. So what do we have? We have A, B, C, X, and then another A and the B, and this is nothing but the C wave to the downside of a lower degree. So what do we need now? Well, like any triangle, this one travels within the A and C and B and D trend line, so this will be the A and C trend line like this. Like this. Let's make it a bit of a different color so that we can stay disciplined here. And then, of course, the B to D trend line. The B to D trend line, or the key in any triangle, is that, in a contracting triangle, is that the A and C trend line and the B to D trend line, they should contract. Now, this would be parallel lines, alright? And, of course, as you can see, if you connect the B to D trend line, they are not parallel anymore, so they are contracting. So, beautiful pattern, beautiful triangle. What to do here? Then go long or buy call options if you are trading binary options. Now, what I would like to do here is, of course, to buy call options. It is Wednesday, and it implies that the non-farm payrolls in the United States on Friday, either they are going to come on a disappointing note, or the market would interpret them as being bearish. In both cases, Aussie should go higher, and I would like to take my chance here with end of week expiration date to see what if this triangle still has one leg higher, this one here. So buying call options with end of week expiration date for the Australian dollar and the US dollar to see what is happening with this triangle. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbuynovioptions.com. We just look with some bullish eyes at the Australian dollar and US dollar. Bye bye.